Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. Today's poster wants to know how to make a smoky background kind of intrude in front of the forward subject. So, well, let's start from the beginning. We first got ourselves a subject, and let's do a solid background. We locked it in because we don't have to worry about the black. So now we just got our subject in front of the background. Then we got some smoke, and they're just basically separate PNG files. Okay, so you take your subject, you put your subject on the foreground. Let's take the layer of the smoke. I'm going to right click here and hit duplicate. And we're going to make basically another copy. Let's bring that copy in front of our subject, and now it's covering the subject. Now all you have to do is take the opacity up here. Let's just try it like at 50%. So we say 50%. Now you can see kind of through it. Grab an eraser, and still on that top layer, let's make the eraser nice and big, like, I don't know, like 1,000 points. Make it nice and big. This way we can take that top layer and erase portions of that layer that we want it to show through. So that's going to be right around here, just indiscriminately, just come down here. Most of the body you want to see it through, with some of the smoke coming across. Now we can bring the layer up or down, the forward layer, and you can see it's encroaching on parts of the body. And that's pretty much it. It's really that simple. And then if we want, we can take the smudge tool, and let's do that also a large, like 1,000 point. And we can smudge some of that top layer, and you can see it working there. And there we got it kind of encroaching in front of the subject. And that's how you basically have the smoke kind of half up front, half behind, and it still follows along the same pattern that it was originally. That's pretty much it for this quick tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.